Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at relationship between angles on a parallel line. So we are going to see in this figure how the angles are related to each other. So we have this. This is a parallel line, three parallel lines that is on this figure, and we have another line that cut across is a transverse line. All what we are going to look at today is alternate angles. We are going to see alternate angles in this figure. So now we have angle A, we have X, we have Y, we have B, we have angle E, we have angle F. So in alternate angle, let's see how this angle are related to each other in alternative way. So here, for us to have this is going to be, when you have A, for you to have X is going to be 180 minus A will give you X. So you have this angle X by subtracting A from 180, you have X. But what we are going to look at today is alternate angle. All what that means is when a transverse line cut across two parallel lines, the angle by the side of the transverse line equals to the other side of the transverse line. That means we have the two parallel line and the transverse line this way cut across it. When we have this angle here will be equal to this angle here, because this angle fall by the side of this transverse line and is equal to this side of this transverse line. So it therefore means that the two angles between here and here, they are equal. The reason is they are alternate angles. So in this case, on our diagram here, we have angle A and we have angle B. From what we illustrated here, angle A here equals to angle B. So in this case, our angle A equals to angle B in this diagram, meaning alternate angles are equal. So here, we can look at the next one. This other side of the transverse line is equal to this other side of the transverse line, where we have angle X equals to angle Y. Reason is alternate angles are equal from this figure. We also have another one, E and F. By the first two parallel line here, we have angle E here equals to angle F. See the same reason. We have angle E equals to angle F. The reason is alternate angles are equal. So in any way we see a figure like this on our problem, so what we are going to do, anytime the transverse line cut across the two parallel lines or three parallel lines, the angle that we see at the top bottom, angle that will be equals to on the left hand side of the lower bottom of the transverse line. The upper angle of the transverse line equals to the lower end of the transverse line, or the lower angle at the lower end of the transverse line. So this is what we have for the alternate angle. And we can move over to where we have the next one. We have corresponding angles. What from this figure, we will see so that corresponding angle. In this case, we are going to bring in this angle. Let's say this angle is T, and also we have this angle as T1. We also have this angle, let's say M, and it's also this one as N. So here we bring this one, we have this one as U, and we have this one as V. So here we all have angle surrounded by where the point of intersection of the transverse line and the parallel line. So for us to have a corresponding angle, meaning that when you have two figures that are like this, let's say we have triangle here, triangle 1, and we have triangle 2, you bring this triangle 1 and place it directly on triangle 2. You see that this angle will enter here, and this one will enter here, and this one will enter here. Let's say angle 1 here will enter here, A, angle 2 here will enter B, angle 3 here will enter C. So what we interpret in this figure is 1 here equals to A, they are corresponding. When you pick this one and keep it here, you see that this one will enter each other. So 3 is corresponding to C, 2 is corresponding to B. So let us see what is illustration from this figure. So here we have this angle here. If you cut, let's say you cut here and cut here, you pick this angle, you pick this line and place it here. What do you have? You see that this Y will enter U, E will enter A, B will enter B, and T will enter X. So it therefore means that from here we have that angle U equals to angle Y, meaning that corresponding angles are equal. So from this diagram, we see that B here is equal to B. We have angle B equals to angle V. meaning corresponding angle are equal. So the next one is angle T. Angle T here equals to angle X, meaning corresponding angle are equal. So the next one, which one that we've not done? The next one is E. So E here will enter A, meaning that angle A equals to angle E, meaning corresponding angle are equal. So we can see that this angle here, where the transverse line cut across this parallel line, is the same thing that we have here. When we have this angle equals to this angle, we mean that the corresponding angles are equal, meaning we have U and Y as we say so. So it's the same thing as when we pick this and put it here. So here will become the first line and the third line will become, where we have angle U will be equal to, when we pick this, will be equal to angle M. So A here, angle A equals to angle M. We have angle V here will be equals to angle F. Then we have angle X equals to angle T1. All of them meaning that corresponding angles are equal. So this is what it means from this figure, where we find corresponding angle. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.